Have you ever swiped your Apple Card, feeling smug about the cool tech and potential cash back, only to be left wondering where that sweet daily cash went? Yeah, me too. Daily cash sounds awesome. You use your Apple Card, you earn a little cash back every day. Simple, right? Well, not quite. Unlike some reward programs that throw points at you willy-nilly, daily cash requires a little finesse to unlock its full potential. But fear not, fellow Apple Card enthusiasts. Today's video is your one-stop shop for cracking the daily cash code. We'll break down what it is, how to activate it, and explore the best ways to put that hard-earned cash to work. So, grab your iPhones, settle in, and get ready to maximize your daily cash rewards. Breaking down daily cash, what is it and why should you care? Daily cash is essentially Apple's way of rewarding you for using your Apple Card. It's a percentage of your purchases that gets deposited into your Apple Cash account. You can earn anywhere from 1% to 3% depending on where you shop, with boosted rates for Apple products and services. Now, here's the key point: daily cash doesn't magically appear. It needs to be activated and directed to where you want it to go. Activating your daily cash, a simple, but often missed, step. Here's the good news: activating daily cash is a breeze. Just follow these steps. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple Card. Look for the icon and tap it. Select Daily Cash. Voila! You're now in the Daily Cash Command Center. This is where the magic happens. Choosing your daily cash destination, Apple Cash or Savings. Now that your daily cash is activated, it's time to decide where you want it to go. Here are your two main options. Apple Cash. This is essentially a digital wallet within your Apple ecosystem. You can use daily cash deposited here for future purchases with Apple Pay or transfer it to your bank account. Savings. This option lets you automatically deposit your daily cash into a high-yield savings account offered by Goldman Sachs. It's a great way to watch your rewards grow over time, especially if you're saving for a specific goal. Maximizing your daily cash. Pro tips for earning more. Alright, you've activated daily cash and chosen your destination. Now, let's talk about supercharging your rewards. Shop strategically. Remember those boosted rates? Look for stores and services that offer 3% daily cash back. There are plenty out there, from popular tech brands to everyday stores. Stack your rewards. Combine your daily cash with other Apple Card perks like extended warranties. You're essentially getting double the benefit for your purchases. Don't forget Apple Pay. Using Apple Pay for everyday transactions automatically qualifies you for daily cash, so make it your go-to payment method. The final takeaway: daily cash, a rewarding, but not automatic, perk. Daily cash is a fantastic way to earn some extra cash back with your Apple Card purchases. But remember, it requires a little upfront setup. By activating it, choosing your destination, and being a smart shopper, you can turn those daily swipes into real savings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Apple carding.